guys, my name is Isabel and in today's video I will be making Oobleck. Oobleck is a non-newtonian fluid, which means it's a mix of solid and liquid. If you apply pressure to it, it will feel like a solid, and if you let it sit for a little bit, it will feel like a liquid. So let's get started. And guys, make sure to subscribe, like, and share with all your family members and friends. I'm gonna give you 5 seconds to subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you subscribe? If you did, comment down below. So let's get started. You need 3 ingredients to make Oobleck. You need cornstarch, water, and food coloring is optional if you wanted to have a color. So first I will put the cornstarch. Put a lot, because I want a lot of Oobleck, baby. Next, the water. But I think I added too much water, so it's kind of watery. But that. Okay, so now I'm gonna do mixing. Ooh, now it's turning out how I want it to turn. So you see, it needs a bit more mixing. And guys, I think it needs some color because it looks tiny bit more. Okay, so I'm going to be using blue because I love it. You don't need a lot, at least like 2-3 drips. Serious hand mixing. And guys, I have one question for you. Did you subscribe yet? I'm not sure, but you should subscribe totally. Look at this. This texture is so good. I would never imagine it to feel like this. I mean, I thought it would feel solid, just solid. See that, how it's melting? Wow. Right in my hand. I can literally pick it up. If I punch it, it stays hard. If I stick my hand in slowly, it actually goes in. Oh. Ready? Guys, I'm gonna make it. Ah! And look at that, how it just melts. And guys, you only need cornstarch and water, which is really cool. And make sure to mix it up properly or else the consistency will be a bit floury. And we don't want that. I could literally rebuild the ball. Okay, and let's rebuild. And guys, if this video gets 100 likes, I will do a part 2 with an even bigger pack. And guys, make sure to subscribe. 10 new subscribers and 100 likes. We will do a part 2 of this amazing experience. Look at that.